Hi, this is Chris again with Kitchen One Solutions. I'd like to take a few minutes of your time to answer some more questions we've been getting. The deposit for the class. There is no upfront deposit for the class as far as you coming to the class. The reason why we do that is we want to make sure that you are going to be happy with the services that we're providing to you. So what happens is you come to class, we start class 2.5, 3 hours in, we'll take a break. And at that time, if you don't feel like that you've made the right decision on the course that you're attending, you're welcome to get up and leave. There'll be no hard feelings. We want you to attend the course, the class, that you feel like you are going to obtain the most knowledge. However, there is a upfront cost in the books you will need. For instance, if you're doing hood cleaning only, then you will need a current copy of NFPA 96 standard. Now, some of the students that we've had wanted us to just order the books and have them here for them when they got here, and that's fine, we can do that. There is a deposit for the books. Otherwise, you can go to Amazon, you can join NFPA and buy the books at a discounted rate. Either way, you just get your own books, come to class, and we'll start. Same way with the automatic fire suppression systems. The only difference there is I've had some questions, do we do this at the same time? No, we do not. These are two separate courses. They are held 1 week per month. We do the kitchen exhaust system cleaning 1 week, and we do the automatic fire suppression system either the following week or the week after. Same as the hood cleaning as far as the deposit goes. There is no initial deposit for the class for the very reason we want you to come, we want you to feel comfortable, we want you to feel like that you've made good decisions. And 2 or 3 hours, let's say 2.5, 3 hours in the class, we will take a break. At that time, you know, if you think that you've not chosen the proper direction to go, you're welcome, you know, to leave. There'll be no hard feelings. However, with the books, again, there are more books involved with the fire extinguishers and fixed fire system part of this course. I say part, it's a separate course. For the fire extinguishers and the fire systems part, you will need current copies of NFPA 10. That is the standard for portable fire extinguishers. NFPA 17. That is the standard for dry powder systems. And even though most of them are gone and not around anymore, you'll still find a few of them in some areas of the country. And they do use them in paint booths too. The paint booths, they're nothing more than an old style kitchen fire suppression system, just powder and not chemical. And then you will need a current copy of NFPA 17A. That's the standard for wet chemical fire suppression system. Also, you will need a copy of NFPA 96. That gives you the guidelines on how the system is installed in the hood, the grease tight seals, and that type of thing. So once again, NFPA 10, NFPA 17, NFPA 17A, and NFPA 96. Those are the books that you will need current copies of for the automatic fire systems and the portable fire extinguishers part of this class. Have any more questions? Once again, feel free to call. My phone number's on the website. Y'all have a great day. I hope this answers your questions. Thanks.